have here, and we unleash your... Woo! This is your Beyblade X Random Booster BX16. And this is your Viper tail. Yeah. I'm so confused on how to pronounce that Viper tail. And yeah, it's a random booster, but what I've ordered is a confirmed booster. So we already know what's inside. The real Viper tail will be on this one. The orange tip or orange bit, and then the blue ratchet right there, and this orange part right here. The design, very nice also. So we'll have a different video or a different vlog for the unboxing, which I already opened it, the box. We already know what's inside. So yeah, this is just an unleashing for today. It's a very short video for this.